p.m. and I woke up a while ago. It's like, what is the time now? 12:48 a.m. in the morning, and I was thinking of a idea for a YouTube video. I am going to, like, a series I'm going to start, and I do not know how I'm going to do it, but from motivation of people telling me like they like my videos and stuff, like the motivation of my fans, not fans but my viewers that love my videos so much, I'm going to do a series called doing an activity from starting with every letter in the alphabet, so start to A to Z. And I'm going to try to do one every 2 weeks, every week, or every 2 weeks, according to my time and whatever. And I say I want to make a video on this so that I will know which ones you would want me to do from the list I chose. But my sister gave me some ideas that I could choose from, and guys, it's literally nobody's up right now. I'm just doing this because like I feel like it's a good, alright thing to do at this time, and I can make a YouTube video on it so you guys can know how my thought process before I start the series. So that will officially be my first part, and basically explaining what I'm going to do in the video. So I going to ask Gemini, because Gemini is not working on my tool, because that is what the Chromebook is supporting. So I'm going to use this AI tool to ask them, can I get wait a minute, I'm going to ask Gemini, where is this video? Okay, can I get a list from A to Z things I can do in Dominica. Okay, it starts a little easy, right? So we have a adventure park, but no, I do not have that in Dominic. I don't think the adventure, those type of like rope courses, I don't think they're like easy. So I put, can I have like a easier list? Can I have like can the list be customized list be customized to make it a little easier and accessible. I don't know accessible spelling, guys, help. Accessible. Okay, so walk through charming urban park in Roseau, the botanical gardens. So I'm going to do my first video basically showing an easy walk through the charming urban park in Roseau, which is a botanical gardens. That is A. So look out for this video next part. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll get back to you on the next one. Bye.